Are leaders born or developed? Are some people predisposed to be natural-born leaders, or can anyone train and develop their leadership skills? Let's jump in by discussing learning the basics, mastering the basics, expertise, and maintenance training. During my military and special forces career, I have had the honor of working with some of the best leaders in the world and attending some of the hardest leadership schools out there. And I've come to believe that leaders aren't born, they're made. Yes, some leaders have more aptitude than others, and some work harder to self-develop than others. But leadership competencies and abilities are trained, honed, and developed in the same manner in which any other skill is refined. Learning the basics of leadership is like learning the basics of a second or a third language. The basics for some languages are easy. This is French and Spanish, where you can read and make sentences in your first days. I submit that an extrovert, or someone with inherent confidence and aptitude, can quickly learn the basics of leadership, just as a dedicated student can quickly learn the basics of French or Spanish. But for other languages, like Chinese or Arabic, the basics are hard to acquire, taking months to learn how to read and to make simple sentences. This is the introvert or insecure person who learns the basics of leadership slowly. And once these basics are learned, and this is for an easy language or a hard language, these basics must be mastered, which will establish a strong foundation. When learning a language, the basics include reading, pronunciation, sentence structures, and conjugation. For a follower, I've already made a video about the basics, which stand for be on time, in the right uniform. When you're there, you need to actually be there. You need to serve. You need to be competent and have the appropriate skills and knowledge. And never forget that security is rule number one. But for a leader, we need to add in a few more basics to the list, like the ability to plan, to effectively communicate, to be a good follower, to be reliable, to set the example, to work hard. Now that the basics are mastered, a language student must focus on fluency, and this requires mastering and integrating advanced skills like grammar, complicated sentence structures, professional vocabulary, and accents. For the leader, this is integrating and orchestrating all other instruments available to you into an effective symphony of success. These instruments of leadership include building systems, building rapport, the ability to anticipate, mitigate security issues and risks, delegating, mentoring, holding people accountable. If you use any skill every once in a while, you will likely not be good at it. But if you practice and use that skill every day, it will eventually become second nature. And this is the importance of maintenance training. A linguist will forget some of his language skills and get rusty. In order to build and maintain fluency, a linguist must read, write, listen, and speak their language every day. They must maintain their abilities. Similarly, a leader must use and maintain their leadership skills to keep them sharp and effective. So if you're wondering whether great leaders are born or developed, the answer is simple. They're developed through use and abuse, hard work, diligent study, and application, practice, rehearsing, and re-rehearsing the elite performance and leadership skills of their trade. What leadership skills do you think are the most important for a leader to develop? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to join my Life as a Special Operations team and to forward this video to a friend who needs to see it. Life is a special operation. Are you ready for it?